All right, what's up guys? My name is Brandon and welcome back to another video. And today we're gonna unbox another Birchbox. It's been a while since I put one out. I think I skipped a month. So I don't know off the top of my head what month this is. I think this is going to be not June, but I think this is May's box. I think, but let's open it up and see what we got. It might be June. This might be June's box. I don't even know. I'll put it in the description like I said. But let's open it up and see what I got. Whew. They sent a box in a box. All right, Birchbox. Hello Summer. Greetings from Paradise. Volume 19, Issue 6. Got your little typical card that you get with all the prices of the sample items that you get. So before that, let's go over. The first thing is a all-in-one cleansing cloth. Bourbon Cedar Natural Fragrance. It's made by Olivian Men. Olivian Men. And this goes for about... Actually, I don't see it on here. I'm guessing they threw this in for free because there's two of them. Because I don't see these on the card at all. So we'll skip that for now. You got some Hims Heart Dietary Supplement. Got some gummies from the brand Hims. I'm sure if you watch any TV or any YouTube, you've seen them advertised. They're real strong on Instagram too. The next thing we got is just a bar soap, moisturizing and cleaning bar soap, which is made by Hours and Alps. This goes for $12, the full size one. So I'm assuming it would be bigger than this one. And the Hims full size goes for $19. Again, it probably comes in a bottle. Whoop. Also got a Vasanti Brighten Up Exfoliator. So this goes for, again, I don't see this in here. Exfoliator, Brighten Up Exfoliator. I think they have a misprint here because this says beard oil. I don't see that in here at all. And you're supposed to have Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch Original. I'm guessing this is the... Yeah, because these two are not supposed to be in here. Well, first mistake I've seen from Birchbox, the card doesn't match with the contents of the box. Got the Hims, the heart gummies, and got the soap, but everything else is different. It's supposed to be beard oil. There's supposed to be like a patch for zits and a facial cleaner. Well, this is an exfoliator, a facial cleaner, but it's not that brand. So, that's weird. Got some under eye patches here, but hey, that's it for this box for the Birchbox. And at the bottom of the card, I'm gonna read to you what it says. It says, "P.S. Let's face it, summer can get a little sweaty. To prevent breakups, try exfoliating once or twice a week to help control oil production and clogged pores." Yeah, gotta wash your face, guys. That's how you prevent zits. But Birchbox is $10 a month and they send you a box every month. Now, as you can see, they only send you sample items of toiletry items, soaps and face washes and, you know, eye patches, supplements now, you know, things like that. Baby wipes pretty much, but different brand. Sample items. And if you like something that you get, you can go to the website and you can buy the full-size product. Also, with that being said, you can also go to the website and you can review each item. You know, whatever you want. You can review it 5 or 4. It's like I think it's like 1 through 10. and you maybe put a little comment in there. But the more reviews that you do for each item, you get points, and then you can use those points to buy a full-size item. So they want you to go in and review their items. Highly suggest doing that if you're gonna, thinking about doing Birchbox in the long run. If you're just gonna do 1 or 2 a year, it's not really worth it. But I thought that was pretty cool. Again, that's it, guys. Birchbox. My name is Brandon, and I appreciate you guys watching. And that's it, guys. Again, I appreciate you watching my video. Hit that subscribe button down there, and hit that thumbs up while you're down there, because it really helps out this channel when I get that like button. And thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.